Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we talk about 2024 May, the latest. Just yesterday I in the exam the question, time zone A, question number 1, multiple choice. We talk about a car accelerate from this speed to this speed, so this is U and this is V. And then what is the question? What is the percentage uncertainty in the change of speed of the car? So first of all, the term is change of speed. So it is V minus U. So it always is a subtraction. So about the uncertainty, just add the uncertainty of both of them. Then will be the uncertainty of change of velocity. So it's uncertainty of V plus uncertainty of U, okay? So add them together. So both uncertainty is 1, 1. So uncertainty is 2. So what is the percentage uncertainty? So we need to divide the uncertainty by the result. Okay, the result is a V minus U, so it's 30 minus 20. So it is 10. So it's the percentage uncertainty will be 2 over 10 times 100%. So it is 20%. Got it? The answer is D. If you like our channel, remember, like and subscribe. Thank you.